Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you a heads up on a couple of stocks that we follow on the channel that could be pulling back today and creating some buy opportunities for you if you have not gotten into those particular plays just yet. I want to show you some good potential entry points to ride the wave back on the up and up. So let's go ahead and dive right on into it. All right, guys. So first one up is Genius Brands, ticker symbol GNUS. I talked about this one earlier in the week that I was buying the stock. And for those of you who may have missed that run up, um, it'll come back up again. But I just want to show you that we are crossing over on the MACD, and we do have a sell signal. So I'm thinking that we'll pull back a little bit today. And I did want to catch it closer to that $2 level. Right now, it's currently at about 208. So I think anything $2 or below on this play is a good entry point. And I really hope it would fall down to about 190, anywhere from 170 to 190 again, so I can really load the boat. So if it hovers around $2 and just kind of sits, then I may start my add more to my position there, and then as it if it cools off and starts dropping again and falls and just kind of hovers around the SMA line, then I'll continue my position. But you see there was it was overvalued, okay, and so we're expecting a pullback, and we still were close to overvalued. So I wouldn't recommend going all in or anything on this stock and loading your position just yet, because I do think we can actually get under $2 again, possibly maybe next week if this stock doesn't have any type of news or anything like that, because we do have some news coming late March about the Marvel agreement. But until then, I see that this stock can potentially just kind of cool off and hover around that SMA line, which is roughly anywhere between 188 and $2 or 205. So those would be some really good entry points for you to wait and ride that news up that comes in March. Next one up, guys, is Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG. We talked about this one. We're due for a breakout, and we, busted through that fallen wedge. We did go briefly above our 1668 resistance, but as you see here, it looks like we kind of got rejected, and we're losing steam. Okay, now we have not crossed over on the MACD from bullish to bearish just yet, but I expect that we will either today or sometime next week, especially if we have a big push up today. And like I was saying the other day, 17 in my opinion is the magic number. If we can bust through 17 and then keep this support of 1668, then I think we are going to be on the up and up for the next couple months or so. Now there's a chance people can come in and buy and push it up today, or there's also a chance that people can start taking profits and it can fall. I would think anywhere in the 15s, guys. 15s or below, I would say go ahead and grab you some shares of that, and 14 to $15 range. If it does fall that low again, is what I would do in my opinion. So just keep an eye on it if you haven't gotten in yet, or if you're looking to add to your position, then anywhere from 14 to 15 bucks, or even the low 15s would be a good entry point in my opinion. Hey guys, last one up, FNGU. This is our 3 times leverage ETN that tracks our big tech players, okay? And in my opinion, we are still in a buy zone, guys. Anything from 2680 to 3145, in my opinion, I would gobble it up, okay? And we are looking like we're losing a little bit of steam to where we may cross over and sell off a little bit more. So that would create some more buying opportunities for you. So this is a play, in my opinion, guys, that you can grab a couple of shares here or there every other week, every 2 weeks or whatever. And then whenever this decides to take off again, it's really going to do you some good, because, as you see here, this was the big run. This was before they had the stock split, and then we had the big sell off, the last couple of weeks, and tech got beat down, and this follows tech, right? So this got destroyed. But once tech recovers and starts making a recovery, you have a lot of room to run up here, guys, and this thing moves, okay? So when tech does bad and sells off, this thing's going to sell off in a dramatic way. But when tech rises up and does good, it's also going to rise in a very dramatic way. Okay, so just keep an eye on that, guys, if you want to get a part of tracking the tech companies and can't afford to get into those players like Nvidia and Tesla and things like that. This is a way to almost kind of get a piece of the pie on each of those. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. Just to remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own research before investing in any of these plays. This was all entertainment purposes, in my opinion. If you found value in today's video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit that notification bell, guys. Other than that, we'll catch you in tomorrow's video.